Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be doing one of amazing Python project. Okay, so the project title is AI Claim Reality Checker. Here, what we do, we will write some of the contents to our web interface, and this model will tell us like this sentence is normal, this sentence is exaggerated, or this sentence is unrealistic. Okay, so for example, in the normal, I can say. In this in this class test, I scored 10 out of 10. So that is normal. It might happen that I can score 10 out of 10 because I prepared well, right? Which is the normal statement. Then we have the second category that is exaggerated. So exaggerated means when we add basically if we wanted to say if we are talking about something but we add some more words to make it look bigger. If I say always score full marks in my class. From childhood, I have always scored full marks. Okay. So you might believe like, okay, not always it's true, right? Might in some of classes I might not get that full mark. Can be happen, okay? But if I am talking to someone and I'm saying I always got full marks in my every class, so that is exaggerated statement, okay? I'm just showing myself a bigger. Then we have the third. Third is unrealistic. So if I just say, uh, I uh, I can have my own son and I can have my own me. Do you believe this? No, because these are the unrealistic situations. Okay. So here we have the three categories. One is normal. Second is we have exaggerated, and third is unrealistic. Okay. So let's start with our code. Okay. So for this, what we are using the radio. Okay, and we know this is the library of Python or a package of Python that help us to develop a web interface. Okay, if I want to develop web interface, just like Teamit, we have this. Okay, then I will make a function that will say reality underscore checker. Okay, and here I will pass my statement. Then what will I write? I will take input. I will do it to load. So see, this is the function that is the basically reality checker. We create a function that is reality checker. You can see def whenever we start something with def, it means we are creating a function in Python, right? Then we are passing the statement that is given by the user. Here we are passing the statement. So first step is whenever we have text, we have to perform the pre-processing steps, right? So here what I did, I take my statement and I convert it into the lowercase. Okay. I convert it into the lowercase. Then I will make a list. Okay. I will make a list that that includes the sum of the words that will always be present in the different scenarios. Okay, let's have a look first. Okay, so I create a high profile role. Okay, so I am creating a list here, and I will include all the high profiles here, like president. Okay, of India. Okay, then I am adding the prime minister. eh, Prime minister. Okay, then I have added a CEO of Google. Then I have added the CEO of the Microsoft. Okay. Then I can add king, queen. Then I can add the queen. Okay. So these are the some of the high profile case. If someone try to say and the king of this and the queen of this, we can say it's unrealistic problem, right? Unrealistic statement here. Got it? Then and then we have the Now we are making a list for the numbers, okay, that can't be possible. Okay. So if in my statement it is 100, if someone write 1000, someone write 25, or okay, and someone might say, oh, I am earning 1 million per month or per year. So it is not true for every. It is a general statement. It is norm. It can be normal statement, but for most of people it is not, right? So we can consider it as into an extreme value. Then we have the exaggerator word. And so we are making another list for these kind of words. Whenever we write exaggerated sentences, we always include I always win the task, always score more, right? Okay. Then we have the never. I never lose any battle. Okay, like these are the someone say everyone copies me, everyone follows what I do. So these kind of sentences are part of exaggerated sentences. Okay, nobody. Yes. Now, what we have till now, we have created a function that is passing the statement. Then, under statement, first step is we have load our text because you know Python is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means if we write something in uppercase and if we write something in lowercase, our Python will take these same words as the two different terms, right? So if I write Python in capital and if I write Python in lowercase, it will take, there is a two terms, there is a two words, different words, Python and Python, right? Okay. So first step, we have lowered it, lowercase, we have converted our text to the lowercase. Then we have created the three lists, okay, which include most of the word that we usually say. So I create the first list that is high profile case. And under that, I have included the important or the high profiles like President of India, Prime Minister, like this. Okay. Then I created the another list that is extreme numbers. For that, I have added some of the extreme numbers. Then we have the exaggerated words where we always use whenever making the these kind of sentence. Now, any word that is present in high profile role, okay, and if that role or basically the word in text also, okay. Firstly, we are taking here what we are doing here, we are basically applying a loop, for loop, okay. So finding it is a for role in high profile role. We are checking if the role is present, okay. Firstly, it will check for the president of India, okay. First role is president of India. So it will see which role present in our sentence. For example, if I say I'm the president of India, so yes, it is present in my sentence. If it's present, but I will print, I will return, but I will return that is unrealistic. It is unrealistic. Okay. Then let's create another class. Yes, then for num in extreme extreme number and if num is in text, then what we will be returning? We will return an unrealistic. Okay. Then if word in exaggerated and if that word in Right. Then we will return exaggerated. Got it? Else, if one of these works, then we have to return. Else we have to return. It's a realistic. Got it? Now we have created the Python code. So till now we have created a complete Python code. So our code is we are given input here. You can clearly see this function is taking the statement that as the user we are given. Then first step what we did, we converted into the lower case. Then we have created the three lists. Okay, and underneath I have added 13 terms. For high profile case, I have added the high profile roles of country like Prime Minister, President, CEO, like this. Okay. Then I have created the extreme values that you can't even think, like 25 hours. How you can how it is possible in a day if you have a 25 hours, right? It is not possible. 1 million. If someone say I make 1 million every year or week, okay? It can be true, but for very rare people. Okay? Then we have the exaggerated word. Okay. So like I always score better, I always do this, I always do this. Like these words comes under the exaggerated sentence. Then what we did, we just put the loop, the four. I'm checking for each role. Is this present in my sentence? If yes, it's unrealistic. Then for similarly, the certain terms. If this word or this term is present in my sentence, then I will consider it as unrealistic. And if these words present in my sentence, then I will write exaggerated. Otherwise, I will consider it as a realistic or we can say the normal consider it as a normal statement, right? Now we have to make the our web interface. Okay, let me run this firstly. Okay, it's done. Now we are making our VR interface. Okay, then we will make the function, which is our function that is reality underscore checker, right? And then we have the input equals to gr dot text box, and we want to put the label here. We will put the label that to enter your name, right? And then we have the output. Okay, that will be also the some text format. We want to give my this web interface some name, so I will write here AI plain reality checker. Okay, then I will just type no. Okay, now here we make a interface. To make GR interface, it's very easy, and on Collab it supports the Gradio interface. Okay, so we just type gr.interface, and firstly we have to mention the function name that we have created. So we have created the reality checker. So I created the reality checker here. Then I take the input, and input where I will get the textbook that will and it will show some number that is enter your place. Then the output will be text. Yes, it will be the unrealistic. It can be normal or it can be the exaggerated. Yes. And I added some title of my interview. Now you can see we have to wait for some seconds. After that we are able to see that. Okay. Yes. Now you can see this interface. It is very simple and it's easy to create. So here we can see our title that says the AI claim reality checker. And here we have the input. If I write, I make 1 million every year. Now, I just submitted. It is saying unrealistic. So it is saying unrealistic, which is absolutely correct because I put 1 billion in my unrealistic rent. Right? You can see here. So now I write I always win the. I'm just writing I always win my task. It's saying exaggerated. Okay. I scored 10 marks, or I can say I scored full marks in my this class test. Now we don't have any other keywords that we have mentioned in the our three categories. Now it must say realistic situation. Let's see. Yes, you can say it is giving us correct answer, but some of you might feel like if I write some like if someone say if I write, okay, just if I write, okay, if I write I have 100 houses, then now it is also again saying that it is unrealistic problem. Okay, so if we add more keywords, then we make this AI tool much more stronger. Right now we have a very limited number of keywords present in our list. Okay, if I add more about this, if I want to become CEO, still CEO of the company, still it will show the unrealistic. Okay, to handle these kind of things, we have to add some more data. Right now, we just wanted to learn how we are able to categorize these kind of sentences. So that's a very basic function we have covered today. Firstly, we make a function where we input content. Okay. Then we create the three lists. Okay. Now we have added very less number of here. Okay. You can see President, Prime Minister. Someone say I want to be the Chief Minister. It is also unrealistic, but we didn't add it here. Okay. So it's a whole kind of project just to make you understand how actually AI works behind. Okay. Then similarly, I added this, and for each role, I have to check whether these words present in my sentence, they present in my sentence, so it is giving me an realistic, exaggerated, or it's a normal condition like this, okay? And to make a radio interface, it's very easy. Just write gr.interface, give the function, then input, output, and give the answer. You are done with it. That's it, okay? Hope you get it. If you still face any kind of any issue while making it, while you are trying it, just comment it down. Stay tuned for more videos.